everyone, my name's Mr. Matt and I am back in my back garden because it's time for another backyard ball game. And this is a very special episode because it's Easter.
This episode of Backyard Ball Games is called Easter Egg Hunt.
And our job today is to go around Mr. Matt's garden and see how many Easter eggs we can find. Come and have a look at this. I have got a special Easter egg basket. Wow, look. But it's empty at the moment, so it's our job to fill up this basket with Easter eggs. Can you help me find the Easter eggs? Great. I've got a great idea. Why don't I go around my garden with a football and practice our dribbling? Let's go. So, here is my football. Now, can you remember how to dribble? Come closer and have a look at my feet. When we dribble, we do little kick, little kick, little kick, little kick, and remember to stop and trap. Excellent. Okay, now let's look for some Easter eggs. Let's go. I think I'm gonna start over there. Let's have a look. Little kick, little kick, little kick. Oh, and let's trap. Whoa. I think there might be one under here. Come closer. We have a yellow cup and a pink cup. Should we look under the yellow cup first? Fantastic, I found one. Wow. Now let's open up and see what's inside. Ooh, it's a piece of paper. Let's see what number is on the piece of paper. Look, it's the number 4. Excellent, we've got the number 4. All right, now let's travel over to our basket and deliver the egg. Let's go. Can you see another egg? Whoa, look at that, an egg on my plant. Wow. Wow, I like the colors. Should we open it up and see what's inside? It's another number. Can you guess what number it's going to be? What is it? It's the number 7. Wow. Let's pop it back in the egg. And where's it going to go now? Into my basket. Good job. Right, let's go and look for some more. Why don't we look over there on our washing line? Come on, let's go. Oh no, look, Mr. Matt, you left your smelly sock on the washing line. And look what's poking out of the top. What can you see? I think it's another Easter egg. Whoop, whoop. Whoa, it's another one. Should we see what's inside? Oh, muscles. It's another piece of paper. What number do you think this is? Let's have a look. It's the number 8. Fantastic. Where do we need to go now? That's right, we need to go back to our basket. Let's go. Let's look for some more. What can you see down there where we can go and look? It's a sand pit. Let's go and have a look in the sand pit. Wow, come down here. Let's have a look. Should we dig like a little doggy again? Dig, 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 dig. What about under here? Oh, no, I can't find it. Where can I look now? I'll look under here. Come closer. Shall we see what's inside? Oh, I can't open it. Can you help? Use your muscles. Ready? Yes, thank you for your help. Let's see what number is in here. It's the number 3. Excellent. Let's pop it back inside the egg. And where do we need to go? Back to the basket. Go. Can you smell something cooking? I think I can smell an Easter egg cooking, which can only mean one thing. It's over there. Look at the barbecue. Let's go. Poking out of the barbecue. Be careful, Mr. Matt. Oh, let's have a look. It's not really hot. It's not even turned on, Mr. Matt. Let's have a look. Oh, it's another one. Let's see what number is in the Easter egg. It's the number 2. Good job. Let's pop it back in the Easter egg. And we're gonna go back over to our basket. Let's go. Okay. Whoa, look down there. What can you see? Can you see an Easter egg? I think I can see one too. Let's have a look. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. Can you help me lift? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I can't lift it. Can you help? Whoa! Oh, that was a heavy one. But I found another Easter egg. Look. And look. It's got lots of flowers on. Wow, that's so pretty. Should we see what's inside? Oh, it's another number. What number is it, Mr. Matt? It's the number 1. Yes! I love the number 1. Where should we go now? That's right. Back to our basket. Let's go. Okay. Where else can we look? Where else can we look? Come and help me. Come over here. Whoa. Can you see? Look at all of these little plants. Can you tell me which one is the Easter egg in? Is it number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9? Which one is it? Yes, it's number 6. Ooh, and it's pink. Wow, let's see what's inside. Another number. Let's see what number it is. It's the number 5. Great job. Let's go back to our basket and practice our dribbling. Let's go. Whoa. Now there's one more to find, and I think I remember it's behind my watering can. Let's go. Let's see if it's behind the watering can. Yes, it is! Yes! Boing. What number is left? Can you have a look? What number is left that we haven't picked yet? It is the number 6. Good job. Wow, okay, let's go back to my basket and we're gonna count how many eggs we found. Let's go. Whoa, fantastic. Look at all of these Easter eggs that we found. Can you count with me? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic, give yourselves a big clap, good job. Now, which one is your favorite? Have a look. My favorite is number 3 because it's got lots of little circles in the egg. Beautiful. Which one is your favorite? Well, sadly, that's all we've got time for today, but you have a very happy Easter. And remember to practice your skills in your back garden this Easter. Bye everyone! Hello boys and girls and football players all over the world. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.